What sets the LSM program apart, especially after 10 years of growth and impact?
Well, the program is based on diversity. So it's based on scientific diversity, it's based on cultural diversity, and that diversity helps the class to see or to have different perspectives on the different fields, on the different topics that are going to be discussed.
What is something the LSM students often teach you in the classroom?
What LSM students teach me is to stay curious, right? So I often do see people with a different background, different scientific background, cultural background, and all of those people are curious to learn something new. And this is what I really learned from the students, to stay curious.
How has the pharmaceutical industry evolved since the start of your career?
Years ago, when I started, there were just vaccines, small molecules, and a few biologics which were on the market. Nowadays, we do have more or less all of the blockbuster molecules being biologics. And what I do see is that that's the biggest change. So the complexity of therapeutics we do have within the healthcare industry is becoming more and more diverse in terms of modalities. And this is what I really do find impressive, how it evolved over the years. So I do think that the most exciting area currently is, let's say, computational life sciences. So also leveraging the use of IA, large language models and stuff like that. So I do think that that kind of technologies will help us to further deep dive into disease models and to bring new therapies to the patients.
What is a habit you keep to remain an effective leader in your field?
So as a leader, you're often involved into discussions. You are on stage, you have to present, you have to be within people or surrounded by people, which is not even easy for introverts. So what I'm doing is doing sports for myself to being prepared for the day.
What career advice would you give to prospective and current LSM students?
Career advice to the LSM students is that they are doing a first step into the right direction. So you do have often, let's say, professionals which have I-shaped profile, so with a deep knowledge in one of the fields. And it's becoming more and more important for the industry to recruit leaders with a strong T-shaped profile, having a broad knowledge about across the industry, also ranging from engineering through life science, through business, so that they can navigate programs or projects through the complexity we do have nowadays. I do think that this is the most important for future leaders, for future people working in the industry, to have a broad skill set at hand, which differentiates from the rest of applicants.